Hi guys! Today I'm going to be playing Battle Cats. The Battle Cats actually. So I've been playing this game since last night and I want to show you guys the game. Wait a minute. X out all my stuff. Don't worry about what I said. Alright, there you go. Ponos. If I know who that is, tell me. Nah, never mind. No, skip. I expected it to be like this. What is this? What just take me? I don't know what that was. And it looked pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. Wing cat. Oh, bird cat. Wow. That is cool. Hold on. I'm trying to equip the cats that I literally just saw. Let's go to the storage. Yes. And get the bird cat. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna equip some things. Come on, bird cat. You going to page 2. Rare cat. Let's go to rare cats. Come on, Ultra cat. Come on, Walker cat. Now we're done. And we can play. Right now. Hold on. Cat guy. 5 cat food. What do I need 5 cat food for though? Rare. Rare. Okay. Bird cat is just like a... I didn't expect Battle Cats to like be like this. I need some cat. I need some money. Come on. Right? For real though, this game's so easy. I have to gross cat before broken. No! The cat's dying! Is it just gonna play one game? Nah, we got time for like 2 more. Ninja Cat, come on, Ninja Cat. Ninja Cat gotta be my favorite. Nah, I'm just playing. What's taking this thing so long? Dang. Hey. You can't mess with me no more. You can't. Ooh. I'm in draw mode. So these are my cats. And those dogs that you saw were my enemies. I'm basically explaining the game if you know what I'm doing. So what I'm trying to say is, when these cats, as you know what the game is called, battle. Yeah. When they battle, they tend to get more weirder and weirder. Like, let's just say, that I would have to have a dog, and it'd be called the battle dogs. All the dogs, we fight. But it seems like a cute game at first. This game may seem cute at first, but when you actually get into it, you will see that it will go on like you gotta do that, all that type of stuff. So I got a 1 rare ticket. Please. I just better have to spend all my stuff. Come on, give me some rare. Not what I meant by rare, but okay. Yes.